Today I'm going to show you how to develop your architectural final design into a model using some standard model making materials that I've found from around the house from bits of packaging. So I've got some corrugated cardboard and some polystyrene and some paper. That's all I'm going to use. I might use a glue gun, otherwise I'm going to use double-sided tape and normal Pritt stick and other basic adhesives. So hopefully something you can try at home. Cheers! So today what I'm going to be using is a steel ruler, a craft knife, a glue gun, some polystyrene and a cardboard box. I'm going to start by preparing the cardboard and the polystyrene, cutting it down into usable sections, and then I'm going to start on a time lapse producing my final design that you've just seen at the start of the video. So that's my main model finished. That would be more than enough to present as an initial design idea. What you'll notice is throughout making, I actually make quite a few changes to the layout of the building. So as you're making a physical model, you can start to see areas that will become too dark, too light, aren't going to have access. So for example, this room here had the stairs running up beside it, but actually it would have been quite overlooked by the external staircase. So I've taken one of the shapes from the top and mirrored it in the base there to form a screen. I've done the same to block off part of the stairs here, but still allow some light through here. I added some railings on the top there just for fun really, but to try and show some indication of how that would be incorporated, because it would be necessary for safety purposes. And this room down here is proving to be very dark. No matter where I place the light, it's not getting much light at all unless it's directly on there. So if you were going on to develop the design, you'd have to think about the positioning of windows and the walls on the outside to maximise the light in that area. Okay, I'm actually going to add a few more details to this now by printing off some textures and using some plain paper to cover up some of the areas where you can see the original print from the packaging. Okay. So that was my final model. I hope you've seen some process there that you can find useful at home. There's another architectural model making video posted in the link below that's produced in a slightly different way where I made elevations first. So have a look at that down here, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Cheers.